In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. If you've ever needed to copy an entire project with all its tasks and details, you're in the right place. Whether it's for maintaining consistent project templates or simply saving time on setup, duplicating projects in Asana is an invaluable skill. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Asana website. You can do this by entering the URL or simply searching for Asana in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Login button prominently located on the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. When you click Log In, you'll be presented with a few options. Among these, select Continue with Google. If you have multiple accounts, choose the appropriate Google account linked to your Asana. This method is particularly convenient as it bypasses the need to remember another password, streamlining your access with a simple click. Now that you're logged in, focus your attention on the left panel of your Asana interface. Here, you'll see a list of your projects. Navigate to the project you intend to duplicate. Simply click on it to open the project board, where all your tasks and details reside. Upon entering your project, direct your gaze to the top banner where your project's name is prominently displayed. Next to it, you'll find a drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click this arrow to open a list of options related to your project. This menu contains all sorts of functionality, but today we're focused on duplication. From the drop-down menu, look for the duplicate option and select it. Clicking this will initiate the process of copying your project. The next step involves naming your new project. A field will open up prompting you to type in a project name. This step is crucial for keeping your projects organized and ensuring you can easily distinguish between the original and its duplicate. Once you've entered an appropriate name, the final action is to click on Duplicate Project. It's located right below where you typed your project name. By selecting this option, Asana will start generating a new project that mirrors the original one. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated your project in Asana. This new project includes all the tasks and organizational structure of the original, providing a seamless transition and saving you valuable time. Whether you're managing multiple teams or launching similar campaigns, this skill will surely enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy project managing with Asana.